Hello friends, how are you doing? This is Srinivas Birla, CEO and Chairman of Birla Medisop Private Limited. So today I'm going to show you the demonstration of our Maxim Vista LIS, which is the latest software from Birla Medisoft, which is a very good ERP system for the diagnostic center and pathology laboratory. Those which are the medium to big laboratories, this is the software for them. So we'll be demonstrating you about the entire feature and how this software can really benefit you. This is not just a software, but I can tell you this is a business tool for you to expand your laboratory or diagnostic center operations. So let's start the journey about Maxim Vista LIS software. So we'll be seeing this software in 3 phases. We will register a patient from a collection center. You can create collection centers. You can massively expand your laboratory using Maxim Vista LIS. So we'll create one from the collection center. We will order a test, and the test will come to the main laboratory where we are going to accept the sample. The accession will take place. Barcode will be generated over there, and onwards the technician, it will go to the technician entry where it can be auto analyzer can interface with the software, or even the manual entry can happen. And finally, the report will be ready for the authorization by the doctor. So unless and until doctor authorizes the report cannot come out. So authorization, so we'll take the last step called as authorization. So where the pathologist will authorize the test, and the test will be ready for the printing. So we are going to see each and every operation in this demonstration, and how the collection center will able to print that report and send that report to the WhatsApp, email, SMS, anything can be done. Even this software can have a QR code facility, and this also comes with the mobile application Android. So the unique features of this software, that the mobile application can create a phlebotomist, can go to the home collection, and from there you can book the all test online. Patient can get the results. Everything is a fabulous software for your business. So let's start the journey and let's see the demonstration. So I'll be showing you my screen and I'll demonstrating the software to you. So I go to the software. The software is also cloud-based, as well as it can be installed locally. So both options are available. So here is the software. It's called as Maxim LIS Vista, Maxim Vista LIS system. So I'll log in as a collection center first, and I'll register a patient. So this is my login for the collection center. So if you see what a collection center can do, collection center can register a patient, can see the status. So collection center need not to ask to the main lab what is happening to my test. They can see online what is the test is registered, or test is tested or authorized. Every status they will get it. They can edit the test, view dispatch status. They can edit customers. So collection center can have a customers. Also, customers are not like a corporate customer. So from that, collection center is receiving the sample. They are called as customers. And add, edit, referring doctor, report, download, printing. Collection center can see their accounts online. They can register, they can pay the fees, and what are the charges are there. They can see how much is their charges, balance, and everything. The ledger transaction they can maintain. Everything they can do online. And patient account, they can generate the patient billing. So they can see, they can generate a bill and how much is the collection. Everything they can see online completely. They can also see the turnaround time report. TAT report is there. So how much from the collection, from the ordering the test to the completion of the test, the complete turnaround time can be received, and they can search a patient. So let's register one patient from here, from the collection center. Okay, so collection center is registering a patient. Okay, and now here is the option, like, if a patient is already registered, by just entering the mobile number, you can retrieve the patient details also. So let's register one new patient and then we can able to do it. Now initial we'll enter it, Mr. Amit Sharma, age 32. As soon as you enter the age, the date of birth is calculated, mobile number, then you will enter the, if clinical history is there, you will enter clinical history, remark, address, and referring doctor. So a complete list of referring doctor will come. So I'm just entering self, then email address. Okay, and how you want to see the, how you want to get a report, by SMS and email. Okay, both options are selected. Here I select the test now. Now this software is completely for pathology and radiology together. So I'll take one test called as CBC. The CBC is taken. And I'll take another test called as X-ray. So X-ray chest PA views. Okay, two tests has been taken. So the rates has come up. Okay, and from here I'll just submit it. So this at this moment of time, the vial IDs are generated. So if you have a vial ID, if you have a barcode number, you can put a barcode number, or they will be generated at the time of receiving the sample. Okay, so we'll leave it over here and we'll generate the, we'll submit it. The sample is submitted now. The test is submitted and the SMS is sent to the mobile number, whatever is given there. Okay, now you can generate a bill also. So you can give a bill to the patient immediately. Okay, here is the bill, direct cash bill. Okay, so what are the charges are there? You can generate the bill immediately for the patient. Okay, so here I'm generating a bill. Okay. Okay, I generate it, and okay, so you can give the discount or whatever the things are there, you can have this. Okay, save bill, and you can immediately generate a report. Bill can be generated and bill can be sent by the WhatsApp as well. Okay, so we have generated, we have sent a request to the now the main center, the reference laboratory. So from here we are done. We want to see what is the status of our test. We can see the test status. Right now our test is registered. Here it is saying test is registered, means the test is gone to the main center right now. So let's log in as a main center now. I log out from here and I log in from a main center. So I log into the main center and I'm in the main center now. So now my test has come up. What are the main center can do? It's a complete login for the main center, the reference laboratory, so that you can have an admin, you can create tests, you can do user master, you can create a test master, you can do everything in this software. It is given in a user's hand. You can introduce new tests and everything is there. Accounting master, bank master, admin master, completely is given. Another unique feature of the software is it has got an audit trail system. This is a complete NABL compliant software. So using this software, you can get NABL very easily. And completely report setting, everything you can do yourself. Okay, now the test is already registered. Now what will happen? Suppose some there are direct walk-in patient also in the laboratory, the main lab, so they can also register. So here it is clearly saying test registration walk-in. So the walk-in patient which are coming to the laboratory can register from here. Okay, test status. Now the test has come up. So we will go for the accession menu. We are going to accept the sample now. So we'll go for the specimen acceptance. See, our name has already come over here from the collection center. Whatever is ordered, it is here, and right now the barcodes are generated. So now we are going to accept the sample or we are going to reject the sample. Sometimes the sample will not be adequate, so we can reject the sample like that. So now let's accept the sample. So we will say submit and print barcode. Okay, so the barcodes are printed. I'll show you. Okay. See, these are the barcodes has come up, and I'll show you the barcodes. So these barcodes are printed immediately and they will be put on the vial, and on the plate, it will be there for the X-ray. It will be put it on the plate. So now our samples are accepted. Now, what is the third step? The third step is patient results. So like that, there will be sections in your laboratory. One is registration, another will be the sample collection, and third will be like your department completely where it is under processing. So we'll go to the test result entry. In the test result entry, we will find out what are the today's patients. So you will see the status completely. See, now patient status are there. Okay, so here is the status. Whether our patients are registered, partially tested, partially authorized, all status you can get it here. And even the color code system is available, where you can see the color will change automatically. So now, right now, our sample is under the registration mode. Okay, so let's open up. Once you open up, you will see that the doctor names are there. The doctor name is available here. So whichever the doctor is going to sign the electronically on this report, his names are here. So you have to say assign the doctor. So you assign the doctor here. Okay, doctor is assigned, and now we are ready to enter the this thing. We are ready to enter the data. So now see, you will see the complete dynamic format has come in front of you. This format is completely dynamic. You can change this format yourself. So it's like format is there, the reference range is there, the panic values are there, even panic values are also available in the software, and then authorize. So if you see, this authorize button is not enabled for this technician entry. So this will be only done by the doctor. Okay, the pathologist. Once it is authorized, this patient, this report will be available for the printing. So let's enter some data. So as soon as you enter some data, let's say I entered 13, which is an abnormal value, immediately it will turn into the red color. So this way it will automatically indicate that this is an abnormal value. Okay, I entered 4.7, then 40. Okay, so what are the data you will enter? Remaining data, if you don't enter anything, those values will not come on the screen, on the report. So like that, I entered 3 values, and I go down and I go for the display memo test. So now the radiologist. So first we'll just see there will be so automatically the radiology department will receive the radiological information. So now let's go in the radiology. First save this. We'll submit all. Pathology test is done. Okay, we will go inside. Now here the status has changed. Now it is called as partially tested. Means radiology test has not been done so far. So let's go for the radiology test also. Okay, so we go for the radiology test and we open the radiology, and you will see that a complete format is here. Now what will happen? The complete radiology system into this software has got all the templates entered. So you need not to type the template. You have to just download the template. See, I downloaded the template completely for the X-ray chest, X-ray PA views. Format is there. So normal format will come, and you can enter this, and you can do your new entry. Like that, you can bold it, you can do whatever. Okay, you can change the color, you can underline it, everything you can do it. Okay, so I have changed it, and there is a button called as save and close. Okay, so my report is ready. Okay, so now things are there, and I submit it, submit all. Okay, now see the status has changed now again. Partially tested status is there. Okay, so now it is done. Now we will go to the third step called as doctor authorization. So doctor will authorize this test now. Okay, so once doctor authorizes, this test will be available for the printing. So log out and log in as a doctor. So those doctors under whose name the test is assigned doctor is done, they will get those automatically the names of the patients on which the authorization will take place. So I'll log in as a doctor and I'll see that tests are there. Test result entry. And in the test result entry, doctor will see the tests which are called as tested. See, the test has come up here. Okay, so now doctor is going to check this test and going to do the authorization. Okay, see here. So now doctor has checked it and they'll say authorized. So here the button is automatically enabled for the doctor. So they will say authorized. So if they want to authorize in one command all, they can say authorize all and submit. That is also possible. Okay, authorize all and submit. So authorize all and submit. Doctor has done the authorization. So you have got a complete command over here in the software. Everybody is doing their work and they are going to do this. Now this report is ready for the release. Okay, if we go back and if we see the list, see it is completely authorized report now. Okay, it is available for the printing. Okay, so let's see the report. We'll print it from here as well. We will print it from our collection center there. Okay, so the report is available. I'll say open it, report with letterhead. So see the report has come up. X-ray chest PA views. The signature of the doctor is there. So this is X-ray report and there is another report called as hematology report. So see the hematology report has come with the barcode and QR code is also there. If you see at the bottom, there's a QR code is there. So this QR code, once it is scanned, automatically this report can be downloaded from the web. It is possible. Now, another thing is if a patient has not paid the money and if still they, scan it, they will not able to get the report because they have not completed the full payment. And that's what system will give the message that please pay your money, then you will able to see the report. So that check is available in the software. So let's go back to our collection center now. And there we are going to see this report, whether it is available there. Okay, so we'll log out from here. Okay, now we'll do it everything from there. That is possible. We can do from here also, like WhatsApp report patient, email doctor patient, direct printing, SMS patient doctor, WhatsApp patient doctor, all things are possible from here. But we are going to do it from the collection center. So we'll see whether our report has reached over there or not. So sign out from here and we go back to our collection center. And there we can dispatch this report. So now we are here and we are registered the test. Now we are here for the view dispatch status. Okay, so now if you see here completely, this is available. So we have to just click on this and we have to press the button. So let's say we can press the button. Let's say we will press it. First is the email, send an email. It's a choice whether you want to send email or whether you want to send a WhatsApp or whether you want to send an SMS. The choice is given, and once you press the all button, it will go with the all option. So email sent successfully is there. So it has become into the green now. Email sent. Now let's send the WhatsApp. WhatsApp is sent. Okay, let's send the SMS. SMS is sent. So we have seen that everything is there. Now, if you want to print that same report from here, you can just press the button report and the same report will come over here. See, this report has come up. Okay, and there's another report. right? All things has come up over here. So like that, you can able to see it completely, the portion, okay? And they can see their accounts and everything. So this is a beautiful software. It's very good for the diagnostic center, laboratory to expand their business. You can open, there are various plans are there, like single unit or a multi-unit, like multiple collection centers, and it's a fully online software, very robust, very easy to go, and everything you can do it very easily and very easy to understand. If you see again, if I go back to your that main center, I will show you how easy it is. It is made in a very simplest way. See, only options, like this is the complete admin section. You register the test, you accept the test, and you do the patient result. Automatically your accounts are created. You can also maintain the inventory control. So as soon as the tests are created, automatically those number of reagents and kits are minus from your from your stock, so that inventory control also you can maintain. And there's a fabulous facility for the search patient is there. So you can search any patient anytime. Date range by registration, how many tests are done. So let's say we want to see how many tests are done during this period. So we can say from 01, 0105 to till date. Okay, give me the test, all tests. See, if you see here, the alkaline phosphate is 1, complete blood count and 19. So you want to see which are those people, those patients in which the blood counts are done. So you have to just select, and it will say number of people are there who are going to, who have got this. See, the names have come completely. These are the people who have got this test done. So like that, you can able to see the complete statistical analysis on the basis of searching of the patient and completely. So thank you very much, my friends. I look forward for your valuable order of this software, and this software is really going to give a very big benefits to your laboratory and diagnostic center. Thank you very much.